How you doing, YouTube? We haven't had a gear review in a long time, so the Lone Ranger on two wheels is going to introduce you to a portable chair that you can bring with you on your bike to the river, the lake, the beach, just about any place you want to just relax and chill out.
Too much. If the world ended today, I would adjust. I'm from New Jersey.
How you doing, YouTube? We're not going to go for a ride this time. We're going to do a little gear review. As you see from some of my videos, we go to Schwartzwood Lake, Sunrise Mountain, upcoming ride to Spruce Run. Well, when I go to these places, I like to sit down and chill out. Just hang out, not do anything. Sometimes there's no place to sit, especially like right by the river, right by the lake. So what I did is I found this handy item. It's the REI Flex Chair. Now, I actually have an REI. L.L.Bean makes them. They're all over the place. This one costs about 70 bucks, a little more, but it will pack into your saddlebag, or it will strap right to your seat. It's very portable, as you can see. Looks like a small tent. Very easy to set up. Now, mind you, I haven't done this in a little while, so let's see how easy it is to set up. All you got the bag, you got the chair itself, and the frame. The frame is very easy. It's all elasticized. Basically it puts itself together. Once all the holes are put into the particular spots, you take the chair, slide the chair over, fold. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. REI Flex Chair. L.L.Bean, anywhere you want. Holds my weight, so I'm sure it'll hold yours. See, it's Spruce Run. And remember, ride careful, ride smart. Okay, that's the REI Flexlite Chair. Of course, you can obviously get it at REI. You can buy one at L.L.Bean, and you can buy one at Aerostich. Thanks for watching. Check out some of my other videos. Click on the appropriate picture, and you'll take another ride with the Lone Ranger on two wheels through the beautiful roads of New Jersey. Okay, before I go, just want to bring up another subject again. Last video was about motovloggers and their influence on younger riders. Over the weekend, not 5 miles from my house, a 25-year-old was killed on his motorcycle as a result of him doing 90 miles an hour on a local street. It wasn't bad enough that this young man died and lost his life, but in the process he took out an innocent man who was crossing the street after he got off the bus from work. I cannot stress enough to you people, please tell your friends, share this video, share the last video, whatever you got to do. This isn't a racetrack. The streets are not a racetrack. You want to go fast? Go to the track. It's just a recipe for disaster, as I've said in the past. Please subscribe to get more videos from the Lone Ranger on two wheels. And again, ride careful, ride smart.